Alright guys, 2021 KTM 300 XCW, let's go.
Daydreaming here, sorry.
300 XCW?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Oh, you're good. Alright guys, right away I like the feeling of this. Let him go because he's in a hurry. Definitely does not feel as light for some reason as the 250. But I think this is my sweet spot. Yes, it pulls a little bit harder, but it revs slower. But it revs just a little bit slower getting to that point. And if you can make yourself ride a gear high, I really think it's the sweet spot. I mean, this thing will just lug in what feels like freaking 700 RPM. You get that same planted feel that I like with the PDS. I mean, you can be absolutely in the very bottom of the gear with no power, no revs, and you can still lean back and flip this thing into enough of a wheelie to get over something. Plus, you never feel like you're revving it out. It's not loud. One of these days, I'll make that corner. At my level, like, all my riding would be like 1,000, 1,200 RPM. There's another guy in a hurry. We'll let him by. Yeah. I mean, probably why these motors can last 250, 300 hours. I've done leak down tests on these 300s at 150 hours, still with 220 PSI. Crazy. Meanwhile, my KX250, I'm rebuilding every 25 hours. It's just different technology, I know, but I still think the 300 XCW takes the cake for me, guys. It's my favorite KTM off-road bike. Biggest surprise of the day was the 125XC. Without a doubt, that bike was fun.